Hey YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. It's April the 12th and I'm out here at the garden after spending the weekend fishing on Lake Whitney for some striped bass and filling some coolers. Now we're checking on these beans and wanting to give y'all an update. So let's walk around and see what we've got popping up out of this dirt. So quickly, here's some of the onions that we planted this year and they're doing okay. It's not my best year of onions, but I know why. And I will pass on my knowledge to y'all towards the end of this video. But we've got about 3 more weeks here till these guys are probably ready to harvest, and we'll go into that as well. But I want to show y'all the babies. Look, here's our first row of beans. Oh, look at their little starter leaves. Look at them. They are precious. We've had pretty good germination rate. Check this out, y'all. We're only missing a few in between. They are looking good. We are gonna have so many green beans, but when we were gone fishing, we got about 3/4 of an inch of rain here. And check out this dirt. This dirt's looking really good. Look at this. You can't ask for better than that black dirt like that. That's some pay dirt right there. We're gonna continue on our fertilizer cycle. We've got some 10-10-10 in here right now, which is really just an all-in-one. Look at that little baby. Then it's gonna grow into that baby. And then it's gonna grow beans and go into our belly. So check this out though, this is great. We planted a whole row. And then we also, for a comparison, planted them in here. And check them out, they're doing great. They've almost all come up in here. Oh, where you think you didn't have one, there it is. It's looking great. We actually have one down in here as well. That one might be a little messed up, but anyways, they're looking healthy. They're looking green. They are looking good. All right, let's go on to the next ones. Let's see what else we got. All right, 2 thumbs up for the first person who can guess what this guy is here popping up out of the ground. All right, you're the winner. We have squash and we have zucchini popping up down this row by this fence. When they get big, sometimes I like to just connect them to this small fence, keep some of the squash or zucchini off the ground. I don't like them getting all dirty, and I like the leaves getting some air up under it. You know, they have an issue with powdery mildew around here, and that seems to really help the squash and zucchini if you lift them up and get some of that air flowing through them. So that's our goal here. We really germinated very well on this side of the fence. So to the right of the fence here, you can see, I mean, we've got them every 24 inches. We skipped one right here. It looks like it tried to come out right here. Didn't make it. But the rest of them did really well. Only missing 1 or 2. Not a big deal, right? On the other side of the fence though, we didn't do as well. We have 1, 2, 3. Good job, right? Missing a few here. Got 1. Missing a whole bunch here. And then 1 more right there. So quickly, what I think happened before we get over to this okra is the day before we, or the day after, I'm sorry, the day after we planted the squash and zucchini, we had a pretty good rain. And what I'm thinking happened, because I saw it with my own 2 eyes, is one of the seeds had worked its way up out of the soil and was laying on the top. And I found it and I replanted it. But I'm thinking some of the seeds actually washed out. The mound that I made, the row, kind of washed itself away, and it washed itself away enough to uncover a seed and let it wash away. So, you know, we can always plant a few more. Squash and zucchini are okay with that if we come in and fill in some holes, and they'll just be a week behind. Not a big deal. But this long row is gonna be okra. And look at these little guys. Aren't they cute? Look at that. Remember, we Planted those green finger okras from Haas, and they did pretty good. We've got a few that are missing here and there, but all in all, we had a really good germination for these guys. I'm not disappointed in them at all. I'm happy. They're doing great. Super dark green. Little cute starter leaves here. And just really looking forward to watching them grow. Having some fresh okra at home. That's always a blessing, right? So just wanted to get back with y'all, update a little bit, and show you what we got. The new babies in town. All right, talk to y'all soon.